Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I am so excited. You guys have no idea. I'm like so excited for this video because this has been a long awaited video of all time. And today I'm excited to tell you guys that I'm gonna be showing you how I do my nails at home. So I'm gonna be showing you how I do this set right here. Now I did do my makeup inspired by my nails, which are they kind of remind me of like unicorn, kind of chrome. So I did do this look, which is on my Instagram. You can find it on my Instagram. So yeah, I did this inspired by my nails. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do these beautiful fucking nails. And it's gonna save you a lot of money, guys. I guarantee you it's gonna save you guys a lot of money, especially those of you who love to get your nails done every week. I mean, not every week, like if you just love wearing nails in general, you are gonna like this video, like honestly, guys. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what products I use, and I'm gonna be kind of, you know, giving you guys advice on how to get started and all this. So if you guys want to know how to do your own nails at home and save you some money, which I want to start like a freaking segment called Save You Some Money, then I suggest you guys keep on watching. Like I said, I have been doing my own nails for some time now. It's been some time now, probably like a year and a half, around there. And you know, nails are getting expensive. Prices are going up. I remember that I was able to get my nails done over here at the corner for like $10 on Wednesdays, and now it's like up to 15 bucks. So I'm like, oh hell no. And especially okay, besides paying for the full set, you're paying extra for the length, you're paying extra for the nail polish, which on, you know, some of them not really, but depending on gel polish, because you know we want our stuff to last. So yeah guys, so it's like now we're paying so much on nails, it's like ridiculous, seriously. So that's the reason why I decided on doing my own damn nails. Like I was telling you, I learned a new way, a new method, which is like a dip powder and all this. So I'm gonna be showing you guys all the products that I'm gonna be using along the way. I will be posting the prices and exactly where I got them. So yeah guys, so I'm doing this because I want to save you some money. Seriously guys, I want to actually let you guys know that you could do your own damn nails. Like you could honestly like do your own nails, save yourself some money, you know. And the cool thing is that you could decorate your nails however the hell you want. You could put rhinestones on it, you could do whatever the hell you want, whatever shape, whatever length. Trust me guys, you're gonna save yourself some bucks by doing this. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's just get on with it. I tried my best to try to film this like the best possible way. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, leave them down below in the comment section. Again, I'm gonna be posting all the products that I use, the prices and everything, and you know, they are quite affordable. But I do want to mention guys that it's best if you actually, you know, look out for kind of you know, like honestly, if you're trying to buy supply for when you're doing your nail shops, just go to the freaking like to the, what is it called, out in LA, in los callejones, you know, go out there, you know, you will find a ton of nail stuff. Because if you go to Sally's, it's a little bit more pricier. But the things I do have today, because I actually purchased some stuff today, I did get them at Sally's, and let me tell you guys, it's a little bit, it's more pricier at Sally's than if you actually go somewhere else. So yeah, so if you can, you know, go to LA, those pinches callejones, what is it called in English? I'm not really sure. But yeah, you know, go out there, you know, there's a ton of stores that sell just acrylics, you know, that sell everything. It's way cheaper. Or you guys could go on Amazon, because that's where I started. I started buying everything on Amazon little by little. So yeah guys, it just takes a lot of practice, but you guys got this. So anyways guys, so we're gonna get on started with the video. Again, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and if you guys enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up And if you guys want to see more videos like this, then let me know. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Now for this, guys, you are gonna need this little kit right here, which is from Sally's. It comes with the quick dip cure, which is an activator. It also comes with the powder, but I ran out of the brush on glue, so that's why I substituted for this one right here, which is a lot cheaper. And I forgot to mention, guys, if you guys purchase this, make sure you get the brush on gel glue. Okay guys, so first I am going to be taking my acetone, and I will be removing any old ass nail polish that I might have. Now I did have red polish. I did remove the old nails I had, so as you guys could see, I had little pieces of crusted ass nail polish, so we are going to remove those. So yeah guys, so just make sure that you remove any old nail polish, because you don't want to be able to see it once you put on your acrylic. Next, I'm going to be taking this Beauty Secrets nail filer from Sally's. This is actually in fine. Is it fine? Because I guess there's like different kinds of files, like very harsh ones and all this. I really can't explain it, but I'm taking a fine one, which is not, it's not that rough for your nails, and I am just filing down my nail a little bit just to get rid of any old gel that I had before. So yeah guys, what we're really trying to do is get a little bit of our natural nail powder, so once we apply our glue in our nail, it'll actually stick and they'll actually last longer. We are going to be taking our nails, and we are just going to be measuring them, kind of, you know, sizing them to our nails, getting our sets ready. Now I did forgot to mention to make sure that you file just the corners of the nails, because they are super sharp, as you guys could see right here. Just make sure you know that you file them to the sizing of your finger. And another thing I did not mention in the previous clip was to actually push back your cuticle if they are covering your whole damn nails. You don't want that. So yeah guys, just try to push your cuticle back before you start applying nails. While you are filing your nails, make sure you guys push your cuticle back, and that will actually give your nail a more natural look. Okay, so we are going to start applying our nails. Be very careful with this glue, guys, because it is very strong. If you glue your fingers, you are like fucked. You're screwed already. So yeah guys, so make sure you guys are applying enough glue, and when applying the fake nail, just put it at the tip of your nail, because we ain't trying to do this covering our whole nail. We're doing the tips only, so remember that. Now this is my favorite part here, because this is where you get to decide what length you want your nails. This is my favorite part, because this, each time I go to the nail shop, this is where I'm paying extra, this part right here. And I am so happy, guys. I am so happy that I am able to cut my fucking nails whatever size I want them to. So yeah, guys, so we're going to be taking a little nail clipper, nail trimmer, whatever, and we're going to be cutting the nails to whatever size you want. And this is a money saver right here, guys. This is why I made this video, because you already know when it comes to this process at the nail shop, you are paying extra just to get them long. Next, I'm going to be going in with my medium grit file from Sally's, and I am going to be shaping my nails into a coffin. Now, this is the first time I do my nails coffin. So yeah, guys, don't judge. I'm not perfect. I'm not a pro. So yeah, guys, so that's what I'm doing right here. Just shape the nails however the hell you want. So now we're going to be taking our quick dip powder and our brush on gel glue. Don't forget to get gel glue. And we are going to start applying the acrylic. The good thing about this little brush on gel glue is that it works like nail polish. It's not messy at all whatsoever. So we are just gonna start out by applying a coat, as you guys could see right here. And then we are going to be dipping this in the quick dip powder, as you guys will see right here. The only thing I don't like about this little quick dip kit is the size of the little ass powder, like the little jar. Especially if you have big ass fingers, good luck to you, seriously. So anyways, guys, we are going to be repeating this process, I will say 3 times, so we could get enough thickness on our freaking nail. Once we're done with that, we are going to clean off any excess powder with the brush, and we are going to be taking our activating gel spray, I believe that's what it's called, and we are going to be spraying this on our nails. Now this is going to work to prevent any how can I say, any bumps, any clumps, anything like that. This is supposed to smooth out the acrylic powder. I'm going to be going back with my medium grit file, and I'm just going to be shaping my nails again. Now by this time the acrylic should be dry, and it should be hard, and it should be easy now to shape your nails. Now if you feel like one of your nails is a little bit more weak, and when I say weak, as you could tell that it's bending when you're filing, then I suggest you repeat the process, apply some gel glue, and dip it in your powder, and do this probably till you get the desired thickness of the nail, guys, because last thing you want is to be done with everything and then you see that you have one weak ass nail that just needed that extra powder. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys apply enough powder. Don't overdo it either, because that's going to be very hard to file down. I'm gonna be taking my filing machine. I got this on Amazon for like I believe 25 bucks. It comes with the little drill heads right here, so I am taking a softer, longer one just to file the sides where my cuticle is at. Yeah, guys, this is just to get rid of any again, clumpy ass acrylic that you might have gotten. This does clean the sides of your fingers. It makes it a lot way easier and less painful. To file this nail, I am going to be using a thicker, more harder drill bits, which is this right here. You got to be very careful with this, guys, because trust me, if this thing hits your fingers, oh my god, you're going to start bleeding. Trust me, guys. So be very careful when using this machine, but it works really, really good. So right now we are just filing down the nail, giving it a smoother shape. So now I'm going to be taking my fine file and I am going to be buffing away my nail just to give it a smoother surface when it comes to applying our nail polish. We're going to be taking your olive oil and applying it on your cuticle, and of course you guys already know this process. Go wash your hands. So yeah, guys, as soon as you apply this, this is actually to soften off your cuticles, because you guys already know your fingers have gone through enough. So yeah, go wash your hands, and then we are gonna be doing the last process, which is the nail polish. So now I'm going to be taking this Tro Mac Collection holographic shadow. It's a pigment actually. So I am going to be applying this on top of my dry nail polish just to give it a chrome look. You guys could do this with any metallic pigment, any holographic pigment. Just be very careful when applying this and make sure that your nail polish is fully dry. If you can, guys, get your hands on this fast drying clear polish. This is gonna change your life, let me tell you guys. I am a person that I hate waiting for my polish to dry. I hate it. Now this, you put it on and your polish dries within freaking seconds. Trust me, guys, if you guys can, this is the best investment you can make, honestly. And this little thing's like $7 at Sally's. Get it. It's gonna change your life. It will dry your polish like quick. So yeah, guys, so this is actually the last step to doing these nails. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, please. And yeah, guys, like I said, if you guys can, get this freaking fast drying nail polish. It's gonna change your life. And again, guys, thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later.